Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakun Sharma and I make videos on fashion, travel and beauty. So today I'm going to talk about the affordable skincare range, that is the Plum Green Tea skincare range. I think this particular range is super affordable and this is really good for oily, combination and acne prone skin. So all the people out there, those who have like acne or any like combination skin or oily skin, then this video is for you guys. So don't go anywhere, keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. So take a moment and subscribe now. You can also watch my another videos. I'll give the link in the description box below. So I think without any further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to talk about the skincare regime that I follow using this Plum Green Tea range, my morning skincare routine and my evening skincare routine. So I have used a bunch of these products, and the main highlight of these products that all of them are like chemical free. They don't use any harsh chemical while making these products, so that makes them so like good for your skin. I have like ऑयल ओवर योर और यहाँ पे तो आई हैव लाइक कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन, तो मेरे लिए ये प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे थे. हाँ, आई वोंट रिकमेंड दिस इज़ फॉर समवन हु हैज़ ड्राई स्किन, बट अगर आपकी एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है, आपकी कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन है, आपकी ऑयली स्किन है, तो ये प्रोडक्ट्स आपको डेफिनेटली सूट करेंगे. सो इन माई मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन आई एम गोइंग टू फर्स्ट बिगिन विद द फेस वॉश. इट इज़ the main step and I can't skip it in the morning. That this is the first thing that I do when I wake up in the morning, that I clean my face, and I clean my face with this green tea pore cleansing face wash. This is how it looks. It is a foaming face wash and it is very mild and very gentle on your skin. So I start my day with this amazing pore cleansing face wash, and it is loaded with green tea extract, glycolic acid and natural cellulose beads that leaves your skin extremely clean and refreshing. Have like oily skin or you have like acne, you should definitely give it a try. So next step in my cleansing is toning, and toning is something that I never skip because toning helps in taking out the excess dirt and excess particles from your skin. जो आपका फेस वॉश भी नहीं कर पाता वो काम टोनर करता है. अगर फेस वॉश से आप मुंह धो लेते हो उसके बाद भी इफ़ यू देयर आर सम इम्प्योरिटीज दैट लेफ्ट डीप इनसाइड अंडर योर पोर्स, तो वो निकालता है toner. It helps to maintain the pH balance of your skin. That is very important. और इसमें there is alcohol free toner. This is a very good thing about this product, that there's no alcohol in it. Extract in this toner helps in shrinking your pores. If you have large pores, it will definitely help to shrink all those big pores, and also it has glycolic acid which helps to give you that glow from within. This is something that you should have in your skincare regime. And also this toner helps in controlling the oil that your skin is producing, that is the excess oil that your skin is producing. It helps to control that oil also. So I definitely recommend this product and I really loved it. The quantity and the price is super affordable. Excited about sharing this product with you all. This is the Green Tea Gentle Revival Face Scrub. As Plum recently launched its scrub, और अभी भी ये like 1 or 2 days हुए इसको launch हुए. This is so gentle, so mild. The beads, the extracts that it has helps to exfoliate your skin so easily. And इसको लगाने के बाद मुझे कभी ऐसा feel नहीं होता है कि हाँ ये बहुत harsh है और मेरी skin इससे बहुत ज़्यादा scrub करने के बाद मुझे कई scrubs ऐसे होते हैं जिनके beads जो होते हैं वो बहुत hard होते हैं, but इसमें जो भी इसके beads है बहुत ही gentle, बहुत ही mild है. It is super easy to use and it really cleans your skin from deep inside. And I really love this product. So exfoliation is really important after I wash my face and use toner. The third step is for me is scrubbing, and scrubbing is something that is really important. Wet your face with warm water, take a small amount of scrub onto your palm and scrub it across your face. Don't forget to be gentle. Harsh movements could damage your skin. So wash up the scrub and softly pat dry with a towel. Feel the softness and radiance on your skin instantly. Just apply a good moisturizer to seal in the hydration. Remember to use it twice a week. If you have acne prone skin, I definitely recommend this scrub for you. You can use it without worrying and without thinking anything. Like if you are thinking just to buy a good scrub, then go for it. So next I'm going to talk about this Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. This is the fourth step I follow in my skincare regime and it is super good. I've heard a lot about it. This is good for acne. If you have like acne, if you're oily or you have combination skin, then this is really good. It helps to take all the excess oil from your skin and it smells so amazing. Like, look at this. So after you're done with scrubbing your face, follow this mask. This mask has clay in it, so ये absorb कर लेता है सारा oil. It gently exfoliate और इसमें glycolic acid है which help to sweep out all the dead cells that you have in your skin. It improves your cells turnover. और इसमें antioxidants है green tea के जो कि help करते हैं to control your acne. So if you have acne, this mask is a must have. After one use, you will see the difference in your skin. It will leave you naturally fresh and cleared up complexion. So this particular mask is really good for acne prone skin because acne prone skin requires deep cleansing and also अगर आपके एक बार पिंपल हो गए उसको कम करने में ये हेल्प करता है. अगर आपके कम हो गए हैं उसको दोबारा होने नहीं देता है, उसमें भी ये हेल्प करता है. जो भी इसकी पैकेजिंग पे लिखा है एंड वट एवर द प्लम ब्रांड सेज दे डू इट. इट्स नॉट कि अगर ये कह रहे हैं और ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. वट एवर दे से दे डू इट. स्क्रबिंग योर फेस लाइक थ्राइस अ वीक और ट्वाइस अ वीक. जस्ट फॉलो दिस मास्क विद इट. अगर आप स्क्रबिंग 3 बार कर रहे हो तो इसको मास्क को भी आप हफ्ते में 3 बार लगा सकते हो. अगर स्क्रबिंग 2 बार कर रहे हो तो इस मास्क को भी 2 बार लगाओ. Recommending you again and again that this product is really good. Now I'm going to talk about the last product from this range. This is the Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is something very light, very gentle, very clean and so light that you never feel that you have applied something on your face, but still it nourishes your skin from deep inside. I used it at night and I think if you have like oil, excess oil on your skin and if you have like acne, you should definitely go for it. Skin needs nighttime hydration. This will give you perfect hydration without greasiness. A night skincare routine, I follow the same steps that I follow in the morning. I wash my face with the same face wash that I used in the morning. Then I used this toner again and deep clean my face. I think रात को सोने से पहले आपकी स्किन को पूरा क्लियर होना चाहिए. It is very important to clean your skin before sleeping. को सोने से पहले I use this toner again. I think this is really important to deep clean your skin. Using this toner, I apply this Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is a very nice and a very gentle cleansing gel that is very good for acne prone skin. If you have like acne prone skin, if you have oily skin, it is super good. It is so light in texture. As you can see, the texture is so clear and so nice. It has gel like consistency. It instantly absorb in your skin. It is so nice. It is a very nice and a cooling sensation that you will get after applying this. As you can see how easily it absorbed in my skin. Look at this. I never feel oily or sticky after applying this. I highly recommend this gel. It helps to like repair your skin in the night and never produce excess oil, so prevents reoccurrence of all the acne. If you have ये acne भी नहीं होने देता है और excess oil भी produce नहीं करता है, that is really important. और रात को आपकी skin को अच्छे से repair करता है. If someone asks me for an affordable skincare range, I highly recommend this green tea range, especially in summers. In summers it is super good. So if you are looking for a good skincare range for oily, acne or combination prone skin, then I highly recommend all the products from this range. So I think आपको ये review पसंद आया होगा. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to buy these products, I'll give the link in the description box below. You can buy all the products from there at such affordable prices. So thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye. Take care.